Jai Hind. Through this video, let us try to understand how change in dimensions affect the volume of a solid shape. We are going to explore this in a very joyful manner. Here are two siblings, where the younger has come home learning the new concept of volume of solids from school. And she tells this to her brother. The brother, excited enough, asks her a question. That if we double the dimensions of a solid shape, how will it affect its volume? And the sister replied, it will become double too. Do you think she is correct? Now the brother said, let me take you to my teacher and let us get a better idea. The teacher said that she will help them discover by the help of some interesting activities. So the first solid which we are going to take is a cube. Here you can see a cube of side 1 centimeter. So the volume of this cube is 1 centimeter cube. Now another cube we have taken is of side 2 centimeter. So as the figure shows, we have used 8 small cubes each of 1 centimeter side to make this larger cube. So the volume of this cube is 8 centimeter cube. Another we have taken a cube of side 4 centimeter. So you can see it has 4 layers of small cubes of side 1 centimeter each. So in one layer we are using 16 small cubes each of side 1 centimeter. So in total we are using 64 small cubes of side 1 centimeter each to make this larger cube. So here we can see that the volume of this cube is 64 centimeter cube. So what do we find here? See, when we have taken the cube of side 1 centimeter, its volume is 1 centimeter cube. Now when we double the volume of this cube, the side of this cube from 1 to 2, the volume becomes 8 times. Now again, when we double the side from 2 to 4, 2 2s are 4. When we double the side, the volume increases 8 times. 8 8s are 64. So here what we can conclude is, when side is doubled, volume becomes 8 times. Now the girl is very surprised with this. But she is thinking, does this happen with other shapes also? So the teacher said, let us explore more. So we have many three-dimensional shapes or solids around, like a cube, sphere, cylinder, pyramid, and many more. Of these, let us talk about a sphere. What do you think about the sphere? Let us find out the facts about sphere in another way. Here we have taken a sphere of radius 1 meter, and along with it we have taken another sphere with double its radius, that is 2 meters. Now let us find their volume using the formula of volume of cubes. We know volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So now when I substitute the value of r here, that is, first for the first sphere 1 meter, what do I get? I get 4 upon 3 pi into 1m cube. In place of r I write 1m. So I get 4 upon 3 pi meter cube. For the second sphere, I write the value 2m in place of r. So what do I get? I get 4 upon 3 into 8 pi meter cube. Now if I take this 8 out, I get 8 brackets 4 upon 3 pi meter cube. So what do we conclude from here? That when the radius is doubled, the volume of the larger sphere is 8 times the volume of the smaller sphere. So you can see that the volume is changing with respect to the power. Further, we can say that the volume and surface area change with respect to the powers of the dimensions we change. If the power is 2 and we double the dimension, then the answer becomes 4 times. If the power is 3 and we triple that dimension, it becomes 27 times. So these are the relations between surface areas and volumes with respect to the dimensions. So my dear sister, I hope you liked this learning journey. And the sister says, yes brother, this was so joyful and interesting. I will never forget it. So the brother said, let me ask you something. So the first question he asks is, if we double the radius of a cylinder, which will increase more, surface area or the volume? And the second question he asks is, radius of moon is approximately 1/4 to the radius of earth. What will be the ratio of their volumes? The sister is very excited to get the 2 questions, and she said, exploring the answers will be great fun. So help her in exploring the answers and you too explore new things about solid shapes. Thank you.